thing about where we're living now is we don't have a washer and dryer right now. So today's laundry day. I'm about to load up all the laundry and all the kids, and we are going to go do laundry at my mom's house. Thank the Lord that she's close and I can do laundry at her house. So that's what today's consisting of. We've just been hanging out. We were actually just watching a bunch of old vlogs when Ellie was a baby. It just made me so sad. I'm like, time has just flown. Anyway, so that's what we're doing. I'm gonna bundle up because it's cold outside. I feel like it just skipped fall and went straight to winter. I'm not complaining. I'm not mad about it. But it literally just went from like hot to cold. So I'm gonna bundle up real quick and then we're gonna load up the laundry and we're gonna go have laundry day at my mom's house. Woohoo. It's Darren's first day of work. I checked in on him. He's doing good. I think he's gonna like his new job. So yeah, he's doing good. First day on the new job. And we're just about to go do a butt ton of laundry. It's laundry day. Good morning.
Good morning, Rachel. This one, that Rachel?
No, it's the vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Got our cowgirl here.
I built and I got my hat. Hey, I do too. But nothing on my head.
Hi. It's not me going to Taco Villa.
We're doing
No.
Wait, Mom.
Just kidding. Hi. It's me. And the problem is me. Going to Taco Villa. Going to Taco Villa. Because we're back where there's Taco Villa and I love it so much. So we're going to Taco Villa. Yum.
Mom, I'm gonna say it that don't be.
Alright, you say it.
But who already say it?
Welcome to Taco Villa. Go ahead and order when you're ready.
Alright, can I get a large cherry Diet Coke, easy ice, and then just one cheese quesadilla? Yes.
$6.58.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mom, Mommy.
Yes. Yes.
G.
Okay, we just got to my mom and dad's. Kids are already out of the car. About to haul in this laundry and do some laundry. Okay? Okay.
We're gonna be showing you our grandpa's farm. And our grandma's. And not really. Yeah, just our grandpa. Yeah, just our grandpa. Naomi! She went to go hang out with her friends. Here, let me show it. Yeah. They're eating hay. Gross. Yeah, us humans don't eat hay. But we eat real soon. But first, let's go see the cows. Yeah. Hey, one is named Hot, and she started bucking. Yeah, I was in there while she started bucking, so that wasn't good. Yep, that did not go well. I named her that. This is Rainbow. But she's scared. He's scared. Yeah, I pet her before. So he's black with white on him. And white spots. So I can manually go in there. So these next two over here, the black one was Brownie because when he was a calf, He was brown, so we named him Brownie, like the sweet treat. Here, hold the camera real quick.
Hello.
Put it on your face.
Hello. Okay, that's my sister going.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna.
So, this one, right here, that's Heart with the heart on his forehead. And this one,
It's brown.
that's Brownie.
It's
Okay,
like up the picture.
so you want to go see our favorite mule, who's like follows us everywhere? All right.
It's his buddy.
So
Those ones.
this mule likes to follow us around. And the last time we were here, he she was playing with us. It was really fun. So this first one right over here. One of them is gets really scaredy really easily. Righty. One second. Here's Naomi.
Yeah.
Yeah, good girl. And here's Cowboy. Here's Cowboy. And this is Big Girl.
And which is a new horse.
She's the newest mule.
And then the other one,
This tan one, this really pretty tan one right here, is
Miss Dutton.
Miss Dutton. But
And
she
it's
gets
also a new one.
scared really easily.
But I pet her.
Yeah. So this is Naomi, which she likes to follow us and play with us.
Whoa.
Cowboy.
She's like,
Guessed. If you guessed correctly, this is Maybe. Say hi, Maybe.
he's like, hello.
Maybe, say hi. Say
Like-
hi, Maybe.
It's my best friend. Don't judge me.
And the one over there, I don't know if you can see her or not. That one over there in the cage or the kennel is Fancy. Anyways,
so that's
all we have to show you for right now.
That's my grandma's and grandpa's house.
Sorry. But we like to do this challenge where you have to stay on the dirt hill
But you can't touch the ground.
and you can't touch the ground. And we made a circle
Will you
around
do
it.
Right on that dirt hill. Oh, yes.
Okay, challenge started for me.
Started for me too. Ah!
And we can push each other off.
No, we can't. Hi, Dad. Hi, Mom.
Hey, what are you doing?
I am my dog.
You're in your garage?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Wait, Mom, what the dog?
A car? It's a car?
Mom, what the dog? Mom?
I don't know.
Wait, Mom, it was there. We had that and that and this.
Your light, your headlights?
I don't know. Mom, I don't know how to turn that light on, Mom.
I don't think they come on, Bubba. They're just for pretend.
What? That light. Yeah, I that.
Oh, you do it like that. Oh, look at you. You're so smart.
And I can do it like that. Mom, I can do it like that.
Show me how you drive it.
Hey guys, I know it has been late and late. Today, Todd let me
go to Walmart is going on the interstate and find me in the
Today we are really happy. Mom, where is it? I got 12. Okay. I don't know. Can you ask Mason? I have no clue. Look at that. My mom's a tool. Mommy. She's a killer. That was Mason and a horsey. Naomi. He's wearing her cowboy hat. No, that's not. That's horsey nut. What happened? He got the sticker. Look. He's like, am I going to zoom? Am I going to?
Got it. Good job.
Mama, I got some stickers out of everything, almost everything. Look, I don't see y'all can see the whole but let me show you some of the wet. Yeah. Okay. Reach out. I don't know how you do reaching and reach. I know how you go reach out but not reach. You can't like reach out and then reach. And how can you do that? How can you do that? My grandpa might be in here. Just so you know, but he did get it working out good. Good. What's good? But he has to be somewhere. I'm like, where my grandpa? Where my grandpa?
In the house?
What?
Where's Bubba?
He's outside looking at the horsey.
Oh, okay.
Watch my grandpa. The mayor don't want to see him, but we're on his farm. And I don't care. Look at that. Look what he's doing. Oh, he's bringing jail. Okay, I better move. Hey, I don't think y'all can still see. I'm going into this. This is my grandpa who owns the wet.
Do what?
I told them that this is my grandpa that owns the wet.
Hi. How are you doing?
They're doing good. Yeah. He hasn't been vlogged. Okay. Here's my mom's grandpa. Is that white?
Mom's grandpa. I'm not your mom's grandpa. I'm your mom's dad.
No.
Your grandpa.
Oh, yeah.
Not your mom's grandpa. Good Lord. How old do you think I am?
We're home. It's almost 7:30. We just got home like 10 minutes ago. My laundry was taking forever to dry at my mom and dad's, and so I only got like 3 loads of laundry done, and I had a lot more. So I'm gonna have to go back tomorrow and finish laundry, but we're home, and so now it's time to figure out dinner. Darren's not home yet. He ended up having to take a coworker home on his first day. Go figure. And so he'll probably be home in the next 10 minutes. Yeah, so let's figure out dinner. We got ground beef. So I'm gonna throw this in the pan and cook it up. Put gravy, brown gravy on it. I'm gonna cook some mashed potatoes. Be like warm, comforting gravy. What do I call it? Hamburger gravy over mashed potatoes. Hamburger gravy boiling. We're boiling some taters. So excited for the smell. So welcome back to oil field life. Darren just got home. It's all good though. It's all good. It's not gonna be like that every day. We're super excited about this new company that he's working for. It's It's gonna be totally different than the large corporation that you worked for before. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. We're watching old vlogs from like 2017. Ellie's a baby. This girl who's about to be 6 was 1. She had just turned 1 in this video. Dun, dun.
And I have short hair and bangs still. He still has bangs.
Y'all, this dinner, such a late dinner, but such a good dinner. So good.
And I made the mashed potatoes.
She made the mashed potatoes. All right, guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. We're gonna eat and we're probably gonna chill out and go to bed. I can't believe it's the week of Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is in 3 days. What the heck? Don't forget to subscribe. Leave us a comment. Say hi. We want to get to know you. Let us know you're watching. Give this video a thumbs up and we will see y'all on the next one.